Navina Fecal Incontinence Insert is a smooth and soft tool that is designed to effectively stop involuntary leakage from the rectum. This animation will guide you step by step on how to use it. This is what you do. First of all, wash your hands. Then place yourself in a comfortable position where you can relax your muscles. It could be lying on your side on the bed, or if you prefer, sitting upright on the toilet. Open the plastic packaging and take out the device. Hold it by pinching the device retainer with the white plastic applicator inside, between your thumb and index finger. The insert is pre-lubricated to ease the insertion. Align the tip of the bulb with your anus. Relax your muscles and gently insert the device. Keep pushing until the broader retainer rests on your anus. Withdraw the white applicator and discard it together with the packaging in the regular trash. Wash your hands when you are done. Once the insert is in place, it seals the rectum at the anorectal junction, helping to prevent accidental bowel leakage. The insert is designed for easy and convenient withdrawal. To remove it, grasp the retainer and gently pull to remove the device. Discard the used insert with the regular trash. Navina Fecal Incontinence Insert is a new way designed to manage accidental bowel leakage and help you feel safe in everyday life.